Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I have a program that I made myself, and this tool is not a free tool. It costs $15, which is a really great tool. After you guys have seen it, you guys will love it and want to buy it right away. That voice crack though. So yeah guys, DM me on Instagram to buy this tool at yt.wais, and let's get right into this tool. So once you open it up, you guys will have these things in the home page. So yeah guys, so once you guys get this, first you guys will have Instagram. It shows my Instagram, Twitter, YouTube channel, and make sure you guys hit that subscribe button if you guys haven't already. This tool automatically updates, so no need to worry for an update. So yeah guys, second page is the PC tools, and in all these great PC tools, just on the first page there is many more PC tools. So yeah guys, in this tool, so first we have Instagram follow bot, all these stuff. You can send as many followers as you want. Instagram cracker, Omigo bot, a password generator, so instant that right when you press it, it gets you the passwords, generates them. This tool has so much coding in it, but it is really fast, which is way better than the other tools, because the other tools do not have this fast tool support on it. So yeah guys, so right here we have an answer bot. In this answer bot you can ask these questions like this video, and it will give you an answer, stuff like that. Should I comment? Yes guys, so he just told you to, this answer bot just told you to comment and like this video and subscribe. Well, I said that, but yeah guys, well, I said subscribe, but the other stuff the answer bot said. So right here we have text to speech, which is an amazing feature in this tool, because right, you can use this thing for trolling anything. I used it to troll, prank call, stuff like that. Right here, just type in the text, say hey what's up guys, and it will play it for you guys. It will say hey what's up guys, stuff like that. So yeah guys, random number generator generates random numbers. So once that's out of the way, we have these PC tools, so instant that right when you press it, it locks it, shutdowns it, anything. And yeah guys, right here we have a fake credit card generator that you guys can use. And the second page is all these tools. As you guys can see, this tool has 4 amazing pages, and the second page has a joke teller, all these really funny jokes. I spent all day yesterday reading these, so funny guys. So yeah, so right here we have 76k private proxies. You guys heard that, 76,000 private proxies for cracking and everything. You guys can use it on the Instagram cracker, follower bot, and much more. So right here we have a live subscriber count you guys can use. You guys need to enable something called Java, something like that. So yeah guys, so going on to the other feature, crazy screen. Yo, you guys must have really want to see this crazy screen, cause look, start, yo, it goes all the way. Let's say I get this tool, say I grab this tool called Apocalypse that I made and drag it around my home screen, and yo, it moves with like infinite screens. So yeah guys, so just stop this. So now once you move it around, it won't move. So right here there is PS3, Xbox 360, how to jailbreak, and not only that, PS4 GTA mod menu. Yes, mod menu. Guys, you need to check these stuff out once you buy this tool. So right here we have a random giveaway picker, LOL, GG, XDD, all these stuff. Random, choose a random picker. Winner is LOL, refresh it 3 times. And the winner is all the way down here, this person, whatever. So yeah. So this is a lyrics fetcher that I got right here for you guys. Lyrics fetcher does not even need internet to grab that song. So just type in that artist's name, Logic, everybody, that album. He has an album and a song made called Everybody. And just press grab lyrics, and yo, it'll grab all those lyrics for you guys. That is an amazing feature in this tool. And not only that, I'll be changing the color font on this tool. So yeah, alright guys, so going on to the next thing. After that lyrics fetcher, yo, that was a pretty cool thing that was there. URL domain checker, just type in something like google.com. What this tool does is it grabs those domains and checks if they are available or not. So if you are willing to make a website and want to check if they're available, just use this status, and Google is not available to use as a domain. So yeah guys, going on to the next thing. Let's search up cock right here. No, I'm not saying that a male's organ. I am saying that chicken. So a male's reproductive organ. This is a funny, hilarious dictionary. So this is the stuff that you guys will get. So just type in chicken, and you guys will get. Whoa. Oh, okay. Whatever. Guys, get that. Now going on to the third page. What we got right here is a doxing and IP tool page right here. So right here we have IP to host connection. You guys can use this to, yo, that voice crack. You guys can use this to grab their connection. Like say, you type in that IP and you get Time Warner cable. That is what it does. Hosts are such as Time Warner cable, AT&T, stuff like that. Going on to the next thing, geolocate IP. Just type in that IP address, and you guys will get all of that person's information, that router. Right here we have an IP DDoS, which hits off IP addresses you type in. So what we got right here is an IP address to Skype. So after you've gotten their IP address, type it in. You guys will get their Skype username and yeah, email to Skype. So if you have their email, you guys can use this to grab their Skype username. And after doing that, grabbing their Skype username, you can use it to grab their IP address, as you guys can see. So going on to the next thing, we have a domain picker. So what that is, it hits off websites, so that means they will be off for a limited while of time. So yeah guys, that's a really cool feature. So right here we have a doxing tool. After getting that scammer's information, just type it in here to get organized and stuff like that. This is a really great tool, and we have reached the end of this. This is the first update. There will be many more updates coming out, guys. Guys, DM me to buy this tool. It is just $15 Amazon or PayPal. If you look around, many tools don't have this stuff. So yeah guys, DM me to buy. I'm the only seller of this tool. And other than that, like this video, comment down below what else I should make, and peace. Outside in the all black rock, 10 rolled up when I'm out. Say they all wanna live.